Siley, I told you I was going to finish the presentation last night. I was just a bit late sending it. That doesn't mean I don't care.
Khushbu, it wasn't just a bit late. We agreed on 6 pm. You sent it at 10. I had to fix everything at the last minute. I'm tired of covering for you.
That's not fair. I have worked hard on this too. You just never see the effort because you are too focused on being perfect.
Okay, guys, this is getting out of hand. You both are stressed, but arguing like this won't help.
Come on, it's World Forgiveness Day. If there was ever a time to take a step back and talk it through, it's now.
I just don't get why she can't take things seriously.
And I don't get why you won't even try to understand me.
Guys, did you see Vaishnavi's post? She shared Shreya's old poem on the class group chat and people started laughing.
I saw it. Honestly, it wasn't even funny. It was personal. That poem clearly means something to her.
And the worst part, she didn't even know she posted it. That's just humiliating.
She left the group right after. I think she is really hurt.
Do you think Vaishnavi meant to embarrass her?
Maybe not, but intention doesn't erase the damage. She needs to own up and say sorry. And honestly, Shreya deserves to hear that.
She deserves more than an apology. She deserves respect. Sharing private things without permission. Not cool.
Hey Shreya, can I talk to you for a second?
If it's about the post, I have already seen enough.
I know, and I am not here to defend myself. I just want to say I am really truly sorry. That poem, it was never mine to share.
You think? I have wrote that when I was going through a rough time. It was personal, not meant to be entertained for the whole class.
I know now. I thought it would come off as light-hearted, but I did not think about how it would feel for you. I messed up and I will do whatever it takes to make it right.
I can't lie. What you did, it really hurt me a lot. But I have also made mistakes. I guess we all do. I forgive you, Vaishnavi. Just please be more thoughtful next time.
Thank you. That means more for me.
Forgiveness isn't about pretending the pain that didn't even happen. It's about choosing to let go so you can move forward instead of holding on to pain.
Sometimes it's not about someone else. Sometimes you have to forgive yourself for the things you said or didn't say. I have had to learn that this year.
A few months ago, I spread something that wasn't true. I didn't even realize how much damage a few careless words could cause. Since then, I try to think before I speak.
Forgiving someone doesn't mean what they did was okay. It just means you're choosing peace over revenge, and that peace feels good.
I used to think forgiveness made you weak, but it's actually the opposite. It takes real strength to rise above the anger.
My dad missed a big event in my life. I was mad for months, but when I finally talked to him, I learned he was going through something. Forgiving him helped both of us heal.
I messed up with Khushbu, but holding on to my anger only made things worse. When I finally forgave her, I felt like weight had been lifted.
And saying I am sorry isn't always easy, but it is powerful. One apology can rebuild a friendship that seemed broken.
Hurting someone without intending leaves a mark, but getting a chance to say sorry and forgiving, that's a gift.
I learned that forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It means choosing to heal, and today I am choosing to move forward.
I have learned that forgiving someone is not just about making peace with them, it is also about making peace with our own heart.
We all make mistakes, we all feel pain, but when we forgive ourselves and others, we make room for our choice, healing and growth.